Guys, good morning. Good morning. Ang aga, ang sakit ng puson ko. Oh, hindi pala puson, sakit yan. Sakit ang tiyan. Ewan ko kung ano ba yung nakain ko. Pizza lang naman yung kinain ko, pero ang sakit ng tiyan ko, grabe. Ay, hindi ako maayos, hindi ako makatulog ng maayos dahil takbo ako ng takbo sa CR. Hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit. Meron tayong, wag kayong alis kasi yung giveaway natin is i-announce ko ngayong araw. And yun i-announce natin pagbangon ko mamaya na doon sa living room. Let's see. Sira ata yung pizza. Bago man yung luto. Leftover lang yung kinain ko kagabi. Pero bago man yung pagbili namin init na init man yun. Paminsan mapanuhutan ko ba? Pero paminsan naisip ko sa pagkain ito. Pero paminsan din panuhot. Alam niyo yung panuhot? Yung hangin ba, yung open yung tiyan ko. Yung damit ko naka-open. So, expose yung tiyan. So, sa Bisaya, panuhot. Yun, napanuhutan paminsan. Pero yung American hindi mananiwala ng panuhot o ginoo ko.
Looks to her, she's probably not gonna have. She probably ran over with some guy or something.
Hun? Why your scalp is very pink?
I don't know. I don't know. What did I say?
No, pink is nice. Pink is nice, love. Wala man si Taming koto. Pero there's a... Oh, no, it's not.
Fleas?
No.
Have fleas? Do I have fleas?
No.
You sure?
Wala man siya koto. Pero, Han, I like your hair. You know why?
Because it's got fleas?
It's very, like, mixed with black hair and gray hair. It's, like, so nice. Like, oh my goodness. It's very, it's sparkly.
Yeah, okay.
It is really, and it's like pepper and salt sparkly. Like, it's so nice, especially the sun hits it. Look, it's so nice. I'm gonna show this to them. Look, ito yung buhok niya. Everyday yan siya naliligo, ha. Pero ito yung buhok ni Mr. Ano siya yung parang tignan nyo, yung pink yung ulo niya. Scalp niya, pink. Pink, but you see his hair, like it's like his mom. The hair is just like his mother. It's like pepper and salt. It's like George Clooney hair, like celebrity hair is like this. Like, look at that. Right? Oh, ipakita sa inyo guys. It's since birth, and Tommy doesn't even know this exists. Okay.
What?
Since birth, guys, look. That red thing over there, that's a birthmark. Like it's a birthmark from here to the top here, like here. It's a birthmark. And hindi niya alam, guys. He doesn't know this exists. Look, I told him, "Han, what happened to you? Why you have a dark thing?" I don't know. It's a birthmark. And it went like here, dark here, and then it went here, like right here, look. So guys, bago muna tayo mag-announce, no? Kakain muna tayo. Lunch ko po ito, pero itlog tayo, nag-scrambled egg. Kasi paminsan talaga itong tiyan ko naghahanap ng itlog. Lalo na yung mga scramble, so yun. Good morning! Maaga po kami guys. I-meet po namin yung kaibigan ni Mr. na nakatira sa Long Island kasi meron lang si Taming dapat kailangan gawin doon. So habang nandun kami, i-meet na din namin siya at mag-spend time a little bit, okay? So tara, samahan nyo kami. Kasama namin yung kaibigan ni Mr. na single. Tara guys, sama kayo. Hi guys, andito tayo sa lugar na walang tao. Nandito tayo sa lugar sa New York na ang tao dito na pinuntahan namin is local, mga Indian. Andito tayo sa Indian heritage ba yan? Indian community. Oh, dito, di ba? And then kasama namin si Rich. Tingnan mo yan, dalawa. Look at this. Look at this too. Look at this too. Si Rich yun, guys.
Give us your money.
Oh, look, he's singing.
The cheapest cigarettes.
Yeah.
Warrior?
Now they're twice as much as mine. More than twice.
Seriously?
More than
You
twice
have
as much.
still Warriors, son?
What?
You still have Warriors?
Really?
Yeah, you still have Warrior cigarette. Buried with all your junkies. Yes, you do.
Yeah, you might have a pack or two kicking around here and there, right?
Yeah, I didn't.
A cigarette.
The Reds?
too.
The
The
Reds.
Moors?
Yeah, I can tolerate the
Too.
smoke.
At some point, they actually sold them here. And then
They are more pricey, right?
Well, they weren't. At that point, they were more pricey, but they were still reasonable. And then
Well, we used to get them for
fucking-
free. Remember when I used to save the coupons?
yeah, we had the coupons.
Because the first one they give you at face value, and then they give you half for every other one. So I ended up getting cartons for free.
Yeah, then they came out with the 222s. And 222s, they would charge you $7.50 a bag.
Yeah, for 11 packs.
Yeah, when they charge you cigarettes. I saw a sign that $25 lowest price for something, and you buy 10, you get one free.
So, Rich, you're back to smoking.
Me?
Yeah.
This is always back to
I
smoking.
never smoked.
He quits every time he runs out of cigarettes.
Man, you can go this way or that way. It doesn't matter.
That's a good thing
you
of
can go that way
quitting.
over there. That'll come out the main entrance. The next, right. Just make it right. I've been trying to quit. I really have been trying to quit. Like I'll stop for a couple of days and then
Yeah, you quit for a couple of weeks at one point.
I quit for 11 months, not too long ago.
11 months?
Oh, really?
Wow. Tommy can't do it 1 month.
When my father died, I hadn't smoked for 7 days, and then
That was what pushed you over the edge.
well, there was one there and she went.
Ito po yung mukha ng gutom. Kasi guys, palibot-libot na kami para kakain ng late lunch na kasi late na. Pero ito, gutom na ang tagal namin nakahanap ng diner. Tara! He's pissed because the neighbor is annoying.
Really, they just made me ask.
One of the neighbors, he was a scumbag anyway. Oh, where's my phone? I left it over there.
They have Christmas tree.
Yeah, this is a nice diner.
You been here?
Oh yeah, lots of time.
Fan.
Putting this together.
Huh?
Somebody spends a lot of
Oh
time
yeah,
putting
they
this together.
always do this. They do it on for Valentine's Day for.
Really?
Yeah.
Finally, makakain na kami. Look.
Gravy, sauce that you buy in the. It's got.
Oh, the jarred sauce, pre-made?
Yeah, like the ragu, not ragu, but that thing.
You can get them,
Yan yung mga busog. Tignan yung mga lakad nila, oh. Yun yung mga lakad ng mga busog. Magkaibigan po talaga sila, guys. Kasi ako din, komportable na din ako sa kaibigan ni Mr. Kasi ito yung kaibigan niya na palagi namin, kung pag may time, yung kinakita talaga namin. So, kasi yung ibang kaibigan ni Mr. ang layo din. So, pauwi na kami dito. Bago kami uwi, ihatid muna namin siya doon sa kung saan yung sasakyan niya. Kasi dito din siya nakatira kasi. Dito sa Long Island.
Probably think I'm saying something dirty.
there you go.
What is that?
Old days.
Old cars?
Yeah.
Old car. The back where the truck was?
Yeah.
You
The
just
front?
Pop up, it would be a seat outside.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and you drive it.
I hope to see you again soon. Han, I'll drive, Han. Bye, Rich. Han?
as we go so you can see how it looks. I got news for you. You used to like Maria's. So we used to get from Maria's?
Oh, yeah. Huh? Yeah, I know. They were super expensive back then.
18, I think it was like 25, something like that. This picture was the shame.
Really? Make sure
I practiced on it a few times.
Make sure you send me that thing. Make sure he sends me the recipe.
And you know what?
Yun siya guys, maghiwa-hiwalay muna kami dito. Sinabi ko lang sa kanya na may mga nagkagusto din sa kanya yung mga viewers natin dyan, mga nagtatanong kung asa na siya. Sinabi ko lang sa kanya, a lot of people like you. That I can tell you.
Really?
Yes.
Good.
Until now, they're still, where is Rich? Where is Rich?
Good. I like that.
The highway at exit 9. Then, keep left to Hutchinson River Parkway North.
Hi guys! Grabe yung traffic ngayon, oh. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo yung traffic. Grabe. So yun guys, naabutan na kami ng traffic, dilim, kasi po ang layo talaga ng Long Island. So kaya yun, dito lang muna tayo. Salamat po sa inyong panonood. Kita-kits tayo next time. Bye!